Hey guys, let's say you want to transfer files between two different courses. The first thing you do is you go to the course that you want to transfer the files into, and we're going to click Add on the bottom here, and then we're going to click Library. I'm going to scroll down to the folder that says Montclair. Okay, so in this folder, these are all the courses that are currently being held at Montclair. So you can find your course that you want to take from in one of two ways. You can either go numerically or alphabetically and maybe try to guess and judge where your course is going to be. And obviously that's going to be a little tedious and time consuming. But there is a better way, and the other way is before you even go into your course to add the stuff, go into the course that you want to take from, and you want to go to your course settings and just change the name. Maybe just add 0 at the beginning. Hit save. And now when you go to add, it's going to show up right at the top. Okay, there's my course. So I click into the course, and now I can see all the folders that I have for the units. So I'm going to find the stuff that I want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer the folders for session 6 and 7 in here. So I'm going to check mark them off and then hit copy activities, and it's going to transfer them right into the course. And there they are. So that's it. And then once you've finished transferring, you just want to remember to make sure to change the name of the other course back to the way it was. And there you go.